the secret number 3 for Infinite Secrets podcast. And today I want to give you one business plan, done for you business plan, to actually approach in 2018. So if you didn't know, like selling t-shirts and stuff is obviously $1 billion industry, but it's not just that, because I haven't done any t-shirt stuff myself. But what I do know, people are selling t-shirts, but you know, on other websites, you know, not on Amazon. Amazon actually wants some of that market share. So if you didn't know, Amazon's starting to release an invitation only tool. It's called Amazon Merch, and it's gonna get really big because it's gonna allow people to sell t-shirts and stuff on Amazon. So if you really want to get in there, I recommend you actually apply on Amazon Merch. It's called Merch by Amazon. And what happens is, when they actually do release, you can actually, you know, you can reach every single person on Amazon, you know, for free basically. Okay, because fulfillment is going to be by Amazon. They're going to print it. They're going to, customer service and all that stuff. So all you'd have to do is just create a design and place it on Amazon. And it create a really good business. Like I said, it's invitation only. I mean, I'm still on the list. I haven't been accepted yet. So to actually get accepted for it, I'd recommend what you do is, make sure you have a website built out first, because I put my own clothing website as my like URL type of thing. But for you, I'd say just make sure you have a website first. So if you already got like a store, just show them that, you know, you already have a store. So that way, you know, they already know, because they got like a description. Also fill that out fully. Tell them, you know, you've been selling clothes online, t-shirts, all that stuff. And you know, that's what because I've already been selling clothes. So I spoke about how I've already sold clothes, and I gave a link to my store URL, you know, my fashion brand, and you know, hopefully I get accepted soon. And also, you want to check about every couple few weeks, just try and log in, because I think I heard a lot of people that said they didn't get a notification that they've been accepted, but they could log in. So what you want to do is every now and then just check to see if you can log in, and so you might have already been accepted before they send you an email. Okay, so that's just a quick tip for you, you know, to get started with you know, even if you don't print on demand. I mean, print on demand is getting big in general. I mean, I'm planning to start a store myself for print on demand. So that's why, and obviously that's for the time being. But I want to combine that with Amazon Merch, because you know, there's so many customers you can reach on Amazon company. So that way, if you combine those two together, you know, there's a lot of money you can make. And I'm expecting them not to just do t-shirts, because now it's just like, I think it's just t-shirts and hoodies. So I'm thinking over time they're probably going to be doing like shoes, joggers, basically everything. And that way, you know, it's really going to become super big. Everyone's going to jump in it. You're probably going to see courses everywhere for Merch by Amazon. I'm actually doing myself, you know, if I see a lot of success, because I got some good plans for it. So I'm actually, you know, teach some Amazon merch once I start doing it myself. I'll make sure I do myself first, you know, make a time, teach others who are interested as well. But, so yeah, so if you want an idea, you wanted something to do, obviously print on demand, you can start now. You gotta pay for your advertising, and that's why it's good, because you don't really have to pay for ads, because people are always searching, and they've already got the customer base. I mean, I think that I don't know how many customers they have, but you know, it's a whole lot of customers, and you know, it's an easy way to just, you know, get you start a lot of upfront costs, since they do everything for you. Alright, so make sure you apply to it like ASAP, because you know, you could be waiting for it to get accepted. Whereas with Shopify, obviously you can start anytime, but with Amazon Merch you could wait months before you ever get in. And that's what I'm still waiting myself. So for now, I'm you know, what you can plan some designs for your t-shirts that you want to use, because as soon as you get accepted, they give you up like 15. So you get up to like 15 designs, I believe, 5 or 15 designs, and so you might as well have some designs ready that you can test out for Amazon. So maybe find some designers on like Fiverr, Upwork, and all these other websites. And then what you can do is, once you get accepted, you got your designs ready, you got everything ready, and all you have to do is just start, you know, putting it out there, and you know, have Amazon basically advertise it for you, and they're gonna do everything else for you as well. So that's my tip of the day. That's the secret of the day. merch for Amazon. You get in there, they're already becoming a trillion. So if you like the tip, you know, if you find it interesting, just leave a comment in the description. And I got one with some more like for example, ClickFunnels. If you join, you get to join my coaching group as well. So, you know, it's a bonus affiliate link. If you normally go through ClickFunnels, you don't get any of that. So it's up to you if you want to join. And then with Shopify, what I do is, if you join through my link as well, I think I include a few bonus videos, but yeah, it's up to you. I'm not too fast. Just leave a comment in the description. I'm doing a lot more videos like this this week, probably for like a week or so, and then and if I should continue or not, I might just change up the style. So just leave a comment below and let me know. And yes, speak, and yeah, peace out.